Jai Mata Di. Today we are going to carry out main engine emergency maneuvering, a very important part. Our main engine, this is an electronic engine, is running all on electronics. So what happens? There are normally three controls. We can start, stop, and run main engine from three places. One is from bridge, another is from engine control room over here, and third is local. That is local maneuvering. So today we are going to try it out from local maneuvering. In case of local maneuvering, always remember guys that all your alarms, normal alarms are bypassed, no auto slowdown, only shutdowns like overspeed trip, low lube oil pressure trip, turbocharger low lube oil pressure trip. These are thrust bearing high temperature trip. These are the few trips that only operate during local maneuvering. In local maneuvering, bridge is going to give us the direction. Okay, you have to go dead slow ahead or dead slow astern. Then I am going to do it from down below, take it dead slow ahead or dead slow astern. Everything is under my control over there. No automation works at all. Copied? So let me show you that. Jai Mata.
Are your promotions slow? Not getting the respect that you deserve on board ship? If you are a marine engineer who is looking for faster promotions and earning respect on ship, then don't worry, Merchant Navy Decoded has your back. Introducing excellence packages for every rank now. You want to learn about purifiers, compressors, electronics, automation, MEGI engines, RT-Flex, ME engines. Don't worry, we are there. Learn anytime, online, offline, whether you are on land or on board ship. Engineers who invest on upgrading themselves, they lead. What are you waiting for? Go to the description box and you will find different ranks, different excellence packages. Start investing now. Jai Mata Di.
Now guys, this is my local maneuvering platform over here. This is where I can see RPM. This is ahead direction. This is astern direction. This is the starting air pressure. This is the hydraulic air pressure. Both are in green zone. That means I can easily run. Now first of all, let me take it in local. Once I press this local, a signal will go to the ECR. From there, the person is going to press the local button. Now V8 is at local. Now what I'll do is, see, over here, the indication is going to be given by bridge. They will give dead slow ahead. It is written ahead over there. Then accordingly I have to take it ahead direction. I have to just pull this knob in ahead direction and it will move in ahead direction. Accordingly, if they say dead slow astern, I will take in astern direction. But what will happen if they take in dead slow ahead and I give dead slow astern? That means there is a mismatch. They wanted me to go ahead and I took it astern. Then a wrong way alarm will come. So now you just wait and monitor what is happening. With the bridge over here, hello, Jai Mata Di. Jai Mata Di bridge. Okay, you can give dead slow ahead, but I will give dead slow astern. So a wrong way alarm should come. Okay, first hit. Dead slow ahead. Okay, please. Now the bridge is going to go dead slow ahead. I'll accept it dead slow ahead, but I will take the engine to dead slow astern. Jai Mata Di. Yes. Okay, yes, you can stop. Okay, I have accepted the stop. Okay. Now I am going to give dead slow ahead again. Just wait for some time. Okay. And now I am going to take in dead slow ahead only. Okay. Get dead slow ahead. Again, you just give dead slow ahead. I have accepted. Now I am going to give a kick and dead slow ahead direction. Okay, I am giving dead slow ahead. Okay, now I will start taking the control things. Yeah, all done from here. Okay, copy that. Okay, yeah. Local maneuvering, very important. I have taken back controls in ECR. Now I'll be giving controls to bridge and they are going to try out the engine once. So last but not the least, all you guys need to understand is over here. When I put it on 1, it will go dead slow ahead. Right? I can go on to, as soon as if I have to increase this go slow ahead. When they say dead slow, I put on 1. When they say slow ahead, I put on 2. When they say half ahead, I put on 3. When they say full ahead, I put on 4. And then accordingly, I keep on increasing RPM. So if I have to go till 100 RPM, 91.5 RPM, I go to 100 over here. That is how this knob works. How it gives? It gives the electronic signal. This is a potentiometer fitted inside, which gives electronic signal so that the RPM is increased. Now over here, this is the emergency stop given over here. In case if I press this button, main engine will automatically stop. This is air run and slow turning. What does this mean? If I put it on air run, I put on 1, then engine will only run on air. Flow through will take place, but not, fuel will not enter inside. When I do slow turning, I put over here, then one complete revolution with scavenge your indicator cock shut will go on air, and then finally the fuel starts. So this is all you have to know over here. Now apart from that, let's come over here. So if any slow down shutdown comes, we can just cancel it over here. Auxiliary boiler running. Starting air distributor system in service. Okay, turning air disengaged. Main starting air valve in service. So these are the things that are over here. Jai Mata Di.